Hey Lilybell, what you doing? Hey Lilybell, what you doing? Do you see yourself in the reflection? Do you see yourself in the reflection? Hi. Yeah, is that you? Is that you? Yes, is that Lilybell? Is that Lilybell in the reflection? There we go. That's a growl. Can you growl again? Yes. You seeing yourself? Are you seeing yourself in the reflection? Yeah, oh, careful. Yeah? Do you want to crawl over to it? If Mommy helps you? Here, if Mommy balances this right here. Hey. Whee! Want to crawl? Oh, not walk. Crawl. Want to crawl over to it? Who's that baby? Who's that baby? Lilybell, who's the baby in the reflection? Can you see yourself? You're crawling real good. That was some, oh, don't stop now. You did some good crawling there. You see yourself? Do you see yourself? Alright, Mommy's gonna stop so I can help you, okay? Bye-bye. Who's that? Who's the baby?